Hello, this is Crypto CJ, and welcome to today's trade of the day. Today, I'm back on the Polkadot coin, the same coin I did a video about yesterday, because it popped up in an altcoin alert search, and I was able to trade that this morning for a really nice day trade. So let's go to the altcoin alert screenshot that I shared. Okay, so here we are on the altcoin alert screenshot. And as you can see, I've circled Polkadot. It was the number 7 coin listed under this search, the 1 hour projected range. So what we're looking for with this sort of altcoin alert are coins that are going to pop fast in the next hour or so. This gives me an upper range of, let's make it bigger, 5.66%. Lower range of, very low risk here, 0.43% for the average of 2.62%. But as you know, I'm going to not trade DOT. I'm going to go to the DOT up Binance leverage coin. But a few more things to point out. I've got, even though the trading activity and the social activity are both normal, they are nicely positive. Plus 12% here on trading activity, plus 23% on social activity. As you know, with the AA score, I'm looking for neutral or better. And the reality is on this coin is I just traded it yesterday and had a really good result with it. So I'm going to look at it again. So let's go to the Polkadot chart. Okay, so here we are on the DOT chart. I've got the 1 hour chart here. This is what I was looking at around 8:15, 8:20 this morning. DOT has been pumping up, has been pretty much since 7 in the morning a couple days ago. So I'm going to go to my Fibonacci Extender Tool, and I've talked about this in a few other videos. You can find that in TradingView over here to the left in the trend-based fib extension. I've got a star by it. If you click on a star, it'll add it to your toolbar. I've got it right here on my toolbar, so I'm going to click here. I'm going to start my fib extension right about here where the trend starts. And this is where I was in the morning. This was the highest in the morning when I was looking, so I'm going to put it here and drag it down to right across to where I was, or when I started the my triangle here. So that gives me this value here. What I'm looking for is this 1.272 value. So it gives me 21.0185. But as you know, I'm not going to trade this coin. I'm going to trade the DOT up coin, and I've already marked the fib extension on that chart. So let's go over there. Okay, so here we are on the DOT up chart. I'm just going to go ahead and leave this on the 1 hour. So I buy the DOT up Binance leverage coin at 63.5 at 8:20 a.m. Now I risk only 60% of my usual position on this entry because it's trading near an all-time high, and I'm not entirely sure it's going to keep going up. I use my fib extender to show that if it goes up, where it's most likely to go. But that doesn't really tell me if it's going to go up or not. I really only have the recent momentum of DOT, at least what little analysis I've done, other than the altcoin alert information, to tell me whether or not it's going to keep rising. So I want to keep funds available for a ladder buy if I have to rescue this trade by purchasing lower and lower entry points to average out the overall target profit point for the coin. So I'm in at 8:20. Coin does trend up nicely after going sideways for a while. I'm out at 72.00 at 4:06 p.m. I've got a 13.28% profit, 8 to 4, 8 hours. So that's a really good day trade. Double digits in less than a day. That's something I'm pleased about. And I've been using this fib extender more and more in this bull market. I hadn't used it much at all until the last couple months. You may recall from my my Monday night Zoom meeting, and Connie Reynolds, who was on, I was talking about how it's more important to take into consideration that some of these coins don't have, retrace potential. They're in uncharted territory. They're not necessarily going to do a 1, 2, 3 dip, like I would like to see, and then shoot up from there. So this fib extender on a pumping coin can be a way to evaluate, a good exit point for a day trade. So that's all I have on my second day in a row in .up. Please stay tuned for some additional messages and check out the tools and resources in the comments below. I'll see you next time. Bye.